I said there are a couple ways that you can use escapism or to escape reality. I wanted to escape my reality here in Delaware, and I traveled to China to grow and to learn. So there's a healthy way to escape because I escaped my comfort zone, right? Sometimes we use escapism in maybe the wrong way, like we want to watch a movie or we want to go out and party and we're trying to forget our problems. That's a bad way of escapism. This is my opinion. So when I was in China, in the back of my mind, I always knew I had to come back to my reality here and face my problems and solve them. I just used China as a confidence booster. I used China to find myself. I used China to sharpen my professional skills. I used China to grow. So when I came back, I was able to live life a lot more successful. So it was a great way to grow. And when you go to Sweden, when you go to Holland and you live through that experience, you're going to come back to China much stronger and ready to attack life.
Yes, thank you. I wish things will go like this.
You will. You will have no choice. Your body and your brain will do it automatically. Your natural survival human instincts will kick in. Right now, you need to change your mentality. You need to change your mind from right now to get more positive and get prepared. The good news is you are on the right track. Remember earlier we used the word escapism or to escape reality? You are doing it in a healthier way because you're watching the live stream and you're practicing your English skills. You're getting to know a foreigner through a live stream. This took a lot of bravery and courage to do. You're coming on here and everyone's listening to you speak English. So you're already moving towards those goals. You're already doing the right thing. So congratulations to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?